Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headlines. So, first of all, Messi to play for Saudi European 522 million done deal. Next, Imran arrested protesters storm army headquarters. Next, India best destination Vaishnav to chief firms. Next, rupees 900 crore stuck travel agents seek government help. Next, claim disbursements under PMJJBY shoot up 438% in FY 2022. Next, Byju's may rise $1 billion at $22 billion valuation. Next, NCLT to issue Go First insolvency order today. Next, Tata Indigo I Go First planes airport slots. Next, Kyrgyzstan settle with IL and FS to retake McLeod. Next, Embassy Group firms and India Bulls merge halted. Next, Mankind Pharma stock jumps 32% on debut. Next, High Court upholds tribunal verdict favoring RIL in gas sale case. Next, IT Capital losing young voters 22% deadline in 22/9/29 age group. Next, on page number 2 in companies section in that Tata Group Indigo hold talks to snap up plans planes airport slots of Go First. Next, Akasha air occupancy soar at fastest pace amongst peers. Next, most AI pilot unions may not accept new contracts. Next, Go First SpiceJet lesser seek delisting of more aircraft. Next, Go First bailout unlikely unless engine issue fixed. Next, Kyrgyzstan settle with IL and FS to retake control of McLeod. Next, Byju's may soon rises $1 billion from ADQ Oak Tree. Next, India Post looks to onboard ONDC inks MOU with CAIT. Next, Mitsubishi signs MOU for AC unit in rare 100% FDI in electronics. Next, Vedanta names Terry Daily advisor for semiconductor biz. Next, select Microsoft users to get picked into AI game changer for office work. On page number 3 in companies section in that Greeny Robotic enhances anti-drone capabilities. Next, NCLT withholds embassy firms merger with India Bulls Real Estate. Next, SRF quarter 4 PET fall 7% to rupees 562.45 crore. Next, Raymond FY23 revenue passed $1 billion. Next, Westlife profit surge over 30%. Next, Adani Port to prepay $130 million debt. Uh, on page number 4 in economy section in that female cheetah dies of mating injuries with Kunu National Park. Next, Fetch say India's growth prospect have brightened. Next, government industry need to focus on trade margin rationalization of drugs. Next, NPS return existingly good versus benchmarks. Next, PFRDA chief 220 chief. Next, 24 killed, 41 injured has bus fall off river bridge in MP. Next, mobility pack 42,000 Indians allowed to work in Israel. Next, government cancel license of 112 fertilizer unit files 30 FIRs in 6 months. Next, wheat procurement up 42%. MP extends sale window. Next, state-wise status check. Next, trade union that filed returns hit a record low in 2029. Next, India extends $1 billion credit line to Sri Lanka by a year. Next, DGTR suggests anti-dumping duty on optical fiber imports. Next, LIC increases shareholding in HPCL to more than 5%. Next, PFC chief post PESB suggests Parminder Chopra's name. Next, seems Gehlot's leader in is Raje, not Sonia Gandhi, says pilot. Next, common uniform for brigadiers, higher rank officer from August 1. On page number 6, in economy section, in that private banks net falls 10%. Next, India seek EU carbon tax relief for MSME. Next, multilateral banks not fit for propose in 21st century, says Singh and Summers. Next, on page number 7 in economy section, in that calm disbursement under PMJJBY surged 438% FY23. Next, strategic Shitvi port begins hopes. Next, opposition unity bid Nitish meets Naveen, but no talks on alliance. On page number 9 in word section in that Imran arrested protesters storm army headquarters. Next, world at an turning point says Putin. Next, all fed up. Powell gets a public thumbs down. Next, Messi to play for Saudi in European 522 million done deal. Next, LinkedIn fires 716 shuts China app. Next, Aramco quarter one profit slips 20% to $31 billion. Next, China exports up 8.5% at $295.4 billion. Next, top Gaza militants death in Israel strikes. Next, Zuckerberg's first a gold in Jiu-Jitsu tournament. Next, uneven gender pay, Goldman to pay $215 million to settle lawsuit. On page number 10 in opinion section in that stressing stability. Next, freebies in a prosperous state. Next, long festering problem. Next, she can coexist with enterprise. Next, code red in the global supply chain. On page number 14 in take 2 section in that controversial calls on predatory pricing. Next, over recovery is more than over slippage. On page number 15 in that before Manipur violence of May, riots have been declining. Next, cinema in the Republic of hurting sentiments, the Kerala story and more. On page number 16 is smart investor section in that AIF commitments jumps 30% to rupees 8.33 trillion in FY23. Next, mutual fund may knock on SEBI door for hybrid fund tax stimulus. Next, Mankind Pharma stock jumps 32% on debut. Next, Zomato shares down 6% after Swiggy markdown. Next, FPI bank on financial stocks despite a US crisis. Next, new advertisement code makes investment advisor see red. Next, strong margin outlook key driver for Marico's gain. On page number 17, the smart investor section in that India's INC capex will likely to turn soon. Next, use cost effective and accessible group term plan to boost coverage. That much for today. Thanks for watching.